In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and play Marvel Rival on PS4 step by step. So first thing first, from your PS4 home screen, go ahead and open the PS Store. Once you are inside the store, navigate to the top of the screen and select the search option. Now, since this game was just released, start typing Marvel Rival into the search bar. You can type the full name or simply type Marvel and it should still show up. After that, scroll over to the right and down through the search result until you find the game. Once you see it, go ahead and select it. The best part is that the game is completely free, so there's no purchase required. When the download option appears, select it, and after a few seconds the game will begin downloading directly on your PS4. Once the download is finished, you can launch the game and start playing right away. And if you are wondering about performance, you can see the resolution and frame rate details on screen right now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy PS4 tutorials. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.